Welcome dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. We are going to teach you when the coronavirus is almost engulfing the world. During this time, you will stay at home, stay clean and study regularly. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher, English, Government Jazira Moharali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur. Presentation, English second paper. Class 6 to 9. Look at the images. Buy me a shirt. Let a shirt be bought for me. Dear student, next sentence. Open the door. Let the door be opened. He hurt himself. He was hurt by himself. Pluck me a flower. Let a flower be plucked for me. Let's discuss the voices of imperative sentence, reflexive object in today's class, part 2. Let's go start now. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, we will be able to define of imperative sentence. Identify the structure of reflexive object, sense into active to passive. Definition of imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses an order, advice, request is called an imperative sentence. Example, do the work. Order. This sentence expresses order. Never tell a lie. This sentence expresses advice. Please give me a pen. This sentence expresses request. Dear student, passive voice of imperative sentences. If the verb in the active voice expresses order, request, advice, a structure will be let plus object of subject be plus V3 by plus U. Example, active, shut the door. Passive, let the door be shut. Active, open your book. Passive, let your book be opened. Do you understand, dear student? Dear student, negative, imperative. A structure, let not, object of subject be plus V3 by plus U. Do not tease the boy. Let the boy be teased by you. Let's go on practice. Do not beat the dog. Let not the dog be beaten by you. Do not eat this banana. Let not this banana be eaten by you. Do not laugh at the poor. Let not the poor be laughed at. Do not play football at noon. Let not football be played at noon by you. If the imperative sentence starts with let plus personal object. Personal object means me, us, you, him, her, them. The structure will be let plus object plus B plus V3 plus by plus personal object. Example, let me do the work. Let the work be done by me. Let him do the work. Let the work be done by him. Let's go and practice. Let the girl sing a song. A song is object. Let a song be sung by the girl. Let us play cricket. Cricket object. Let cricket be played by us. Let him do it. It object. Let it be done by him. Let her eat rice. Let rice be eaten by her. Do you understand, dear student? Yes or not? Yes. If the imperative sentence starts with main verb plus personal object, the structure will be let plus object plus be plus v3 plus for plus personal object. Active, buy me a shirt. Passive, let a shirt be bought for me. Active, give them the book. Let the book be given for them. Practice, pluck me a flower. Let a flower be plucked for me. Bring him a pen. Let a pen be brought for him. Buy me a computer. Let a computer be bought for me. Give me the pen. Let the pen be given for me. If the imperative sentence starts with never, the structure will be let plus never, object plus be plus v3. This rule is very easy to sense active to passive. Never tell a lie. Let never a lie be told. Never drive a car recklessly. Let never a car be driven recklessly. Never disobey your teacher. Let never your teacher be disobeyed. Understand, dear student? If the imperative sentence starts with please, the structure will be you are requested to plus please is omitted by extension. Please do this work. You are requested to do this work. Please come here. You are requested to come here. Please give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. This rule is very easy to sense active to passive. Reflexive object, the object which is formed with self. If the active voice is with reflexive object, the structure will be subject having v3 by plus reflexive object. Object cannot be sensed into subject. Subject, he killed himself. He subject, no sense. He killed himself. He was killed by himself. He fans herself. She is fanned by herself. Whom talks? Rewrite the following sentence using the active voice. Let this work be done. Let the dough be your shirt. You are requested to go home. Let it be done. Let this book be read. He was perished by himself. This sentence is passive. you have to change the active. Stay at home, stay safe and sound. Thanks to all.